It's such a beautiful day today. I love sitting in the garden like this. The weather feels perfect.
Yes, it really does. I think gardens are the best places to relax. Fresh air, green grass, trees. Everything feels peaceful here.
Exactly. Sitting here reminds me of one of my hobbies,
Oh, really? Which one?
painting. Whenever I look at nature, I feel like painting something.
Painting. That's nice. You never told me that you enjoy painting. What do you usually paint?
Mostly simple things, like flowers, trees, houses, and sometimes the sky at sunset. I love painting bright colors.
That sounds peaceful. How long have you been painting?
Hmm, maybe since school, but I started painting regularly about 2 years ago.
So, you paint often?
Yes, I paint 3 or 4 times a week, mostly at night, when everything is quiet.
Wow, that's a lot. You must really enjoy it.
I do. Painting makes me feel calm. Whenever I'm stressed, I just sit with my paints and brushes and everything feels better.
I know that feeling. Hobbies are like therapy. They help us relax.
So, what about you? What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
Reading. I knew it. You always look like a reading person. What kind of books do you like?
I like self-help books and storybooks. Sometimes personal growth books too. Reading helps me understand life better.
Do you read every day?
Yes, even if I'm busy, I try to read for at least 10 or 15 minutes before sleeping.
That's such a healthy habit. I wish I could read every day too.
You can start anytime. Even one page a day is enough.
Actually, I have another hobby too.
Really? Tell me.
Cooking. I love trying new recipes on weekends.
Wow. What kind of food do you cook?
Mostly simple dishes. Pasta, chicken, rice dishes, sometimes desserts like brownies or cupcakes.
Sounds delicious. Maybe one day you can cook for me.
Maybe. Cooking is relaxing for me. When I'm stressed, I cook something to feel better.
Yes, cooking can be fun. I also like cooking sometimes, but only if I have nothing else to do.
Same. When I'm busy, I just make something quick. But on weekends, I enjoy cooking slowly.
Well, apart from reading, I also enjoy walking in the park.
Walking? That's a great hobby. It's healthy too.
Yes, I walk for about 30 minutes every evening. It clears my mind.
Do you listen to music when you walk?
Sometimes music, sometimes English learning podcasts. It depends on my mood.
Nice. I think walking is such a simple and peaceful hobby. Let's do something fun. Let's say some simple English sentences for practice.
Good idea.
Repeat after me. My hobby is painting.
Repeat after me. I like reading books in my free time.
Now try this. I enjoy cooking on weekends.
And this one, I walk in the park every evening.
Nice. These sentences are easy for beginners.
You know, hobbies tell a lot about our personality.
True. For example, painting makes me feel calm and creative.
And reading makes me feel peaceful and focused.
Cooking makes me feel happy because I love trying new things.
And walking makes me feel fresh and alive.
Yes, hobbies help us understand ourselves better.
Do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I like cycling. Not every day, but maybe once a week.
Cycling is fun. I used to cycle when I was younger.
Why don't you cycle now?
Life got busy, I guess. Now I prefer walking.
That's okay. Everyone chooses what feels right for them.
Exactly. Different hobbies for different people.
By the way, I also enjoy listening to music.
Same here. Music is my everyday hobby.
What kind of music do you like?
Soft music, English songs, and sometimes instrumental.
Nice. Music is something everyone enjoys.
Let's ask each other some questions. It will help learners practice.
Okay, I'll start. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
When do you read?
I read every night before sleeping
Why do you enjoy reading?
because it helps me learn and relax. Now, my turn. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
How often do you paint?
I paint 3 or 4 times a week
Why do you like painting?
because it makes me feel calm and happy.
Nice. That was good practice.
I really enjoyed talking about our hobbies today. It felt relaxing.
Yes, same here. And I think our English became better too.
Hobbies are important. They make life colorful and interesting.
And talking about hobbies in simple English helps learners practice speaking.
Exactly. So, should we come here again tomorrow?
Yes, why not? Same time, same place?
Done. See you tomorrow in the garden.
See you.